Welcome to an exploration of how ChatGPT can transform your ideas into structured documents. This journey will showcase the seamless integration of AI into document creation. Imagine having a tool that is always ready to assist you, no matter the task. ChatGPT is here, waiting to help you turn your thoughts into reality with just a few clicks. Let's dive into a creative endeavor. You can ask ChatGPT to write and craft a children's book, bringing your imaginative ideas to life in a structured format. With your request submitted, ChatGPT begins processing, utilizing its vast knowledge and language capabilities to generate content that aligns with your vision. Here are the bullet points generated by ChatGPT for creating and selling a children's book. From ideation to market fit and story development, every aspect is covered to ensure your book's success. Once the content is ready, you can easily output the information into a Word document. This allows for further editing and refinement, ensuring your document meets your standards. Alternatively, you can choose to output the same information as a PDF file. This format is perfect for sharing and presenting your finalized ideas in a professional manner. Finally, take a look at the completed document. ChatGPT has helped transform your initial ideas into a comprehensive plan for creating and selling a children's book, ready for action. Thanks for watching. If you find this video useful, please like, subscribe, and comment.